Okay, once again, welcome back to all the students for today's second session on nitrogen cycle, and this is the last session of nitrogen cycle. So here, in the last session, what I will be doing is, so I will be explaining this. We have left with the explanation of nitrogen cycle. So to understand the nitrogen cycle, what you have to remember here is, so whatever we have studied till now, so you should recall that back. So one thing what you have to remember is, first thing in nitrogen cycle, what are the different processes in nitrogen cycle? So first one, starting from decomposition, mineralization. In mineralization, there will be two processes, ammonification and nitrification. So you should remember decomposition, you should remember ammonification, you should remember nitrification. So afterwards, you should remember nitrogen fixation methods, industrial nitrogen fixation, chemical nitrogen fixation, and biological nitrogen fixation. So next is, last one is denitrification. Okay, and sources of nitrogen. So this you should remember to draw the nitrogen cycle. So first, so we will come back. I think all of you can able to see this picture. So here you can see there is a one middle line. So the below one is soil, above one is atmosphere. Okay. So the line where I am showing the pointer, it is the surface of the land, and above this is atmosphere. So the biggest source of nitrogen for us is atmospheric nitrogen gas. So which contains huge amount of nitrogen, that is almost 80%. So this nitrogen, so this atmospheric nitrogen will come back to soil in three forms. It will be fixed to the soil in three forms. One is by biological nitrogen fixation. So biological nitrogen fixation, there are two types of organisms. So one is symbiotic organism like rhizobium, so which forms association with legumes, form nodules and fix nitrogen. Another one is free living nitrogen fixers. So like Azotobacter, Azospirillum, Derxia, blue-green algae, so which will fix nitrogen into themselves, into their cells. Second one is atmospheric nitrogen fixation, which will happen during lightning. So atmospheric nitrogen fixation, which will happen during lightning, which is also called electrochemical nitrogen fixation. So during this process, what will happen? NN, the molecules of nitrogen, two molecules of nitrogen will break down. So this will react with the oxygen. So it will form oxides of nitrogen, which will again react with the water, which will form nitric acid or nitrate. So this nitrate or nitric acid will come back to soil. So this nitric acid will be again converted into nitrate, and it will be taken up by the plants. So another type of nitrogen fixation is industrial nitrogen fixation. So in industries, so we will nitrogen will be ultimately, it will be added in the form of nitrate or in the form of ammonia. So it will be added in the form of ammonia or in the form of nitrate. Okay. So this is how the nitrogen will come to soil. So what will happen to this nitrogen which will come to the soil? Okay. So here the first, coming back to the atmospheric nitrogen fixation, whatever nitrogen is fixed through lightning, that will be taken up by the plant. So it will produce the plant biomass, which will be used by animals as well as human beings. Okay. Similarly, so the industrial nitrogen fixation, the chemical fertilizer, whatever we add, so that will be taken up by plant in the form of nitrate, or if it is in the form of ammonia also, it will be taken up by plant after conversion of this to nitrate. So this ammonia will be converted into nitrate and taken up by plant. Some plant can take up directly ammonia, and this ammonia and as well as nitrate can also be taken up by microorganisms by the process of assimilation. Assimilation. Okay. So next, coming to the biological nitrogen fixation. So the free living nitrogen fixing organisms, so they will survive for some time, afterwards they will die. So the death of these will add to soil organic matter or dead organic matter. Even the plant, animals, plant which take up the nitrogen, and from plant which the animals also will get the food and other thing, will also die. So all the death of all these organisms will add dead organic matter or soil organic matter into the soil. Okay. So this dead organic matter during the process of decomposition, which is carried out by microorganism, through the process of ammonification, that is mineralization, through the process of ammonification, there will be a formation of ammonia. Okay. So this ammonia will be acted upon by nitrifying bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, so like Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter, and this ammonia will be converted to nitrite and then again to nitrate. So this nitrate will be, majority of this will be taken up by plants. Okay. And if there is a excess amount of nitrate in soil under anaerobic conditions and many other conditions, so by denitrifying bacteria, so this nitrate will be converted back to nitrogen gas by the process of denitrification. By the process of denitrification. Even the rocks which are present in the earth crust, the bed rocks, they hold huge amount of ammonia in them. So these rocks with the time in a very slow ratio, so by the process called weathering, so they will release this ammonia. This ammonia will also be converted into nitrate. It will be taken up by plant, or it will be escaped to atmosphere by denitrification. And this nitrate also lost through leaching. And this ammonia also will be lost to atmosphere through volatilization. Okay, this is the nitrogen cycle. This is the explanation. And this is a diagrammatic explanation of a nitrogen cycle. So this can also be explained without a diagram in the form of flow chart. So that will be given in the next slide. Okay. So this is the flow chart form. First you see the first portion, top portion. So nitrogen in the air. So this nitrogen in the air will be fixed by biological nitrogen fixing organism in the form of ammonia. Ammonia will be again converted into nitrate. So this nitrogen in the air will also be fixed into soil in the form of nitrate by electrochemical nitrogen fixation, and also industrial nitrogen fixation, and also by blue-green algae, that is biological nitrogen fixation. And this nitrate will be lost to the atmosphere by denitrification, by denitrifying bacteria. Okay. So this nitrate which comes to soil will be taken up by plant. So plant will be eaten up by animals and human beings. Afterwards, all plants, animals and human beings and our microorganisms will die. So it will become death waste. So this death waste will decompose by ammonifying bacteria and it will be converted into ammonia. This ammonia will be converted into nitrite and then to nitrate by nitrifying bacteria. So and this nitrate will be, again, it will be cycled or denitrified or leached. So this is also, you can also write the nitrogen cycle in this form. Okay. Okay. I forgot to explain, in denitrification there are many methods of denitrification: assimilatory denitrification, dissimilatory denitrification, chemical denitrification. So you need not have to worry about that. But sometimes in exam they may ask the bacteria which are involved in denitrification. So you should remember, these are the examples of bacteria which will carry out denitrification. So Thiobacillus denitrificans, Pseudomonas denitrificans, Alkaligens denitrificans. So these are the, at least you can remember one. Thiobacillus denitrificans is the most common denitrifying bacteria. So this will complete the portion of nitrogen cycle. I think I have taken 3 or 4 sessions. Thank you for your patience. So